Hi guys, in this video I will be visiting Lake Sebu, which is one of the touristical spots in South Catabato in the Philippines. The places that I will be visiting are the highest zipline in the Philippines, first and second waterfalls, Tidang Tini Falls, Divine Mercy Garden, Sunrise Lake to see water lilies, SLT Homestay, Tivoli Museum and Tivoli Weaving Center. In order to go to Lake Sebu, from Bulaong Terminal in Jensan, take a bus going to Marble City. And from Marble City, you can either take a bus going to Surallah or take a van going directly to Lake Sebu. I took a van from Marble City to Lake Sebu directly. Travel time is around 1 hour and the fare is around 100 peso. On the way to Lake Sebu, you will pass through Surallah town. And in Surallah, there is a nice dry people monument. If you have time, you can visit it as well. I will show you some videos from this monument in another episode. We are now in public terminal in Lake Sebu. In the terminal, you will see tourism officers with their motorcycles and the list of tourist attraction places and the fares to go there. In order to visit around, you have two options. If you come here at noon, you need to take this half-day tour. Or if you come here in the morning, you can take whole-day tour by paying 750 peso. If you take half-day tour, you need to pay 500 peso. These motorcycles are called habal. So you need to ride motorcycles while you are touring around. We are going to the first falls now. Entrance fee is 20 peso per each person. This is number one and this is the biggest falls in Lake Sebu. Finally, we are here in front of the big falls in Lake Sebu. Now let me show you some drone videos that I took with my drone Mavic Air. When we go down 774 steps down here, we will reach to second falls. Wow. Now we will walk down 774 steps. It's getting more deeper here. That tree is interesting, very straight. Look at this. You can use it for everything. We almost arrived. Now we are going to the second falls. This is the highest falls in Lake Sebu. We can hear the sound of waterfalls. Here it is. Yes, and here it is. Wow. I am in front of second highest waterfalls in Lake Sebu. I was checking in YouTube videos, but I was not expecting it that big actually. I was not expecting it that high actually. But when I came here, I saw that it is really high. It is amazing. It is spectacular actually. Wow, this rainbow is awesome. I have never seen such a beautiful rainbow in my life. This is only in Lake Sebu second waterfall. Mabuhay! Hopefully there is sunlight. If there is no sunlight, we cannot catch this kind of rainbow effect here. And these birds are also making it more beautiful. Let's take a look at our drone videos as well. Now we are going to the zipline. Now I have paid entrance fee for the zipline. It is 300 peso weekdays and 350 peso Sundays or weekends. Now I am getting prepared for taking the zipline. Okay. Front. Then my first time, my first experience. Welcome front. Alright. Okay, I am laying down now. Interesting experience. Okay, let's go, let's go.
On, 7-0 solo, ready to release.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Daming last. On, 7-0 solo, ready to release. Okay, sir.
Wow! OMG! Wow! OMG! Wow! It's amazing! Wow! Wow! I am over the trees. Wow! Hi. Okay, now I will come back. I am getting prepared again. Huh?
Fall down.
Fall down. Ah. Fall down. Okay. So I am ready for the second ride. Yes, ready.
Can 7-5 can ready to release solo last dive.
All right.
Okay, sir. Take up, sir. Coming, can. Last dive again.
1, 2. Ah. I am going over the trees again. Okay. Wow. Wow. Ah. Ah. Wow, what an awesome view. Wow.
Connected na. Okay. Saksak ko na silong ko.
Now we will visit the Ankini Falls. Entrance is 20 peso per person. A bridge made from bamboo trees. Its name is interesting. It's called Allah Valley. This way is going to the fall. Free water everywhere. The waterfall is there. We are getting close. I want to try a long exposure photo here. This is the view. Let me take close up. Wow, there is awesome view here. This is the view. This was the waterfall that we were after. Now we are visiting Lake Sebu, Punta Isla. Entrance fee is 10 peso per person. I came here early morning to see water lilies because their petals are only open early morning. We are in Sunrise Garden now. As you see, there are a lot of water lilies here. I think it is better to rent a boat here. So we will try to rent a boat to get close to these water lilies. Is it safe? We have rented a boat. Now we are taking photos and videos in the lake. They are all made from bamboo trees. Now we are going inside Divine Mercy Garden.
Good morning, sir.
Hello, good morning. Is it free?
Yes, sir. You need to write your name, address,
All right,
religion,
okay.
and
Name.
signature.
Hi everyone. Now I am in Divine Mercy Garden. This is just in the middle. interesting table and chair. This is San Roque. They have interesting decorations like that. Interesting decorations again. Now we are going to the Tivoli Museum in Lake Sebu. Okay, there is entrance fee 20 peso. These are gongs that were used to communicate with the people. They were communicating by using these gongs with each other. What's your name? This is traditional blouse. What do you call this?
Kagalnisip.
Kugalnisif. Interesting. These are their kitchen tools. This is horn of a carabao. Okay. This was also being used to communicate with the other people. This is also their local instrument. They were playing this. Let me try. This is called kolintang. This is traditional blouse for men and women. Now we will visit weaving center here. Let's see how they are doing weaving here. We will watch her how she's doing this. This is finished product of Lang Dulai. This is the weaving machine. Now we will see how this lady will weave. I think, right? You are going to do this weaving. Can you explain us how they are doing this?
We have 32 steps from the start before finish 6 meters of tinalak. This is the finished product of Lang Dulai. There is so many different design of Lang Dulai. Sebu Lang Dulai, the nominee of Lang Dulai right now.
This is tinalak. And the origin of Tinalak festival is coming from Lake Sebu, because Tinalak is weaved in Lake Sebu here. So this is Tinalak. Before originally Tinalak was being weaved by this boy Lang Dulai. She was the princess of Tivoli, but unfortunately she died at 2015. Now in her memory they are doing this weaving here in this center. There is a small candle park in Lake Sebu. Here's a short video from this park. These students are waiting for motorcycles to go home. Hi everyone. I have finished visiting some places in Lake Sebu in Tivoli. Now as you see I am in a restaurant, but as you see there is no electric. So I will have my dinner in the light of this candle. This night I will stay here. SLT Tivoli homestay. It is not a private place. We will sleep with the other people. Let me show you how our place is. I am in Lake Sebu now, and in this night I stayed here. This is not a private hotel or private guest house. You are sharing the room with the other guests here. As you see, this is a local homestay. you can experience the local instruments here. Half of this house is also being used as a school. They are teaching the students how to play some of the local instruments here. Breakfast is included in the price. Let's eat and then I will go back home.